InfinityOne is E-MetroTel's communication, messaging, collaboration, and video conferencing application. InfinityOne is a highly effective and feature-rich application that includes an integrated softphone, private and secure direct text messaging, customizable presence for both phones and chat, screen sharing, file sharing, one-to-one and multi-party video conferencing, real-time wallboard and call center reports, exceptional security for users and for protection of company private data with 100% encryption for signaling and media packets for voice, video, and chat. Encrypted database backup files stored on company-owned and managed memory storage. Mobility support for iOS, Android, and browser-based client access. A wide range of end-user devices including iPhone, Mac, Mac Air, Android, plus Linux or Windows laptops and PCs and real-time web browsers. A rich set of user controls to allow users to manage and personalize their account, control their client settings, upload their avatar, and more. InfinityOne administrators can add and invite users, assign permissions, manage the features, perform database backup and restores, and control file system usage and more. Users benefit from a rich set of notifications for pop-ups, emails, audio alerts for chat and phone, real-time notifications, and push tokens to provide notifications to mobile devices. InfinityOne also supports a rich set of integrations, including Microsoft Teams, embedded wikis, GitLab, Jira from Atlassian, Salesforce.com, and custom integrations through the set of RESTful and real-time APIs. InfinityOne resides on a customer's UCX appliance in a virtualized environment or from the UCX cloud solution. Note that Galaxy Mini and Cloud Mini do not support InfinityOne. InfinityOne offers a seamless platform that brings together all your essential communication tools: voice, video conferencing, messaging, presence indicators, and file sharing all in one place. With E-MetroTel's InfinityOne, you'll equip your employees with the powerful tools they need to stay connected, informed, and productive, no matter where they are. Ready to transform the way you work? Visit us at E-MetroTel.com or reach out directly at sales@E-MetroTel.com. We'd love to show you how easily InfinityOne can fit into your organization.